According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple isn't planning to launch updates to the MacBook Pro this year. Gurman doesn't explain the exact cause of the delay. However, from the Chinese social media Naver, the adjuster of the disclosure is caused by problem as the chip maker, TSMC. The Taiwanese chip maker would have difficulty producing 3nm chips. Apple CEO Tim Cook said that the holiday lineup is set, which means there won't be new products coming later this year. Clearly, this is an indication that the new Macs are not part of the 2022 lineup. At the same time, Apple expects Mac revenue to fall substantially during the holiday quarter. So the question remains, should you buy the 14-inch or the 16-inch MacBook Pro now or wait for the new M2 Macbook Pro? Well, I think if you really need a MacBook now, then get it now. But if you can hold on a bit, I think the M2 Pro will be more power efficient than the M1 Pro.